drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor early in the morning?
Well, it's been a while. I've been out in Ohio, and I was attending my daughter's graduation from Denison University, and then we packed her up and brought her home. But on the way back, we stopped in Pennsylvania to visit in-laws, so you know, we took a good week off. And since I've been home, I've been trying to work in between raindrops. We've had a lot of rain lately. We didn't have as much in April, a little bit towards the end of May, but beginning of June we're having all kinds of rain, and it's supposed to rain this afternoon and pour tomorrow. But in spite of that, I built the framework. The gantries are in place. I built framework around the hull to help lift it and turn it over. And this is where I'm at right now. I'll turn the camera around, you can see. In the next few moments, I'm going to show you a few scenes, a little bit. Well, I took a few pictures and I took some more video clips while I was doing all this, so you can take a look and see how I put this all together. I basically built a little bit of framework. This framework, the cross members that go underneath the hull there, it goes across, is actually through bolted to some of the cross members on the underside that you can't see. And I have a few holes in different places so I can connect some of the rigging. And you can see I have the gantries in place. So now I'm going to figure out how to lift this thing up, get the strongback out from underneath, and roll the boat over right side up. But that may not be for a few days with all the rain that we're going to be having. Maybe by next week I'll have it done. We'll see. But this is the progress I've made so far. Once the boat is right side up, though, we'll be going pretty good. And I still have some plywood on hand that I've been saving so I can deck the boat over. And that was long before all the prices went raging and everything else, but it was left over from other projects anyway. So we're getting there, slow but sure. There's a few things that impede progress here and there, but I just keep sticking with it. So tune in next week and we'll see where we're at.
Hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time.